I know my knee hurts because I'm standing in a weird position behind this box.
Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for all subscribing, but so many of you have asked for this. We got merchandise, don't we?
Yes, even our kids were on us for this one.
And we bought how
hundreds of dollars.
Hundreds of dollars,
yeah.
Just because I want to make sure this is great quality. Anything you see on this channel, we've made, we've tested, we've bought. So if you see Amazon links, you know I bought that at one point. So, but look at this. This is a chill mug. It is fabulous. The quality is really good on this. We got shirts, sweatshirts. I'm wearing one of the polos. What do you got on?
My sweatshirt. I love it.
She's got that bluish gray, I guess that is, sweatshirt. Yeah. But you can get all this stuff. It's linked in the description down below. Plus, if you hit the store when you're watching a YouTube video, you'll see it too. But we got so many other things. Again, this is from my other channel. This is, what is this?
A bag and a backpack.
So that's a backpack, and then this is just like a carry-on. You can get this with the How To logo. Again, if you want to support us, this is the best way to do it. And any YouTuber you watch, if you buy their merchandise or you hit the thanks button, all that goes to help our channel out.
Yeah.
We got so much stuff on this coming down the line, don't we?
Yes.
Do you know what?
I don't want to talk about it.
She doesn't want to talk about it. That's that video that's coming up next week that she won't even say the word. But it's going to be a fun video, I promise you. But again, merch is here. You've asked for it. I got it. Put some time together to get it ready. Check it out below, and thank you again. And please
make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Almost messed that up.
Yes. And look at this. Look at that sticker we got for our wine bottles. I love those things.
Yeah, yeah.
Just so much more. Thanks again. Till next time. Till the next video. Have a great day and a great week.